Renovating a house against Feng Shui principles is dangerous. When renovating a house, apart from considering convenience and functionality, it is important to adhere to academic and Feng Shui principles. The following criteria should be considered when extending or renovating a house. 4 considerations for house renovation. 1. Roof ridges. The angles of the extended roof should not be directed towards the main house. If the angles of the extended roof pierce through the existing house, it can have long-term negative effects such as deteriorating family relationships, poor health, and reduced opportunities. 2. Roof slope. The slope of the extended roof should not be too low, as it can create darkness in the lower areas of the roof, leading to accumulation of stagnant energy and inconvenience in ventilation. On the other hand, if the slope of the roof is too high, it can cause direct sunlight to hit the house, resulting in heat and dust entering the house easily, causing problems for the occupants. 3. Avoid additional structures that obstruct wind flow, as it can disrupt the energy circulation into the house, which can affect the occupants' well-being. 4. Choose appropriate colors according to the orientation of the house. For example, if the front of the house faces south, which represents the element of fire, using blue color, which represents the element of water, would counteract the energy. This would result in extinguishing the fire energy and lead to energy loss.